Okay guys, welcome back. Now we have our data list and we should try to create our CSV file. Okay, we go to our project. I don't know why they are not working and I don't even care about them. Okay, let's create an CSV file. Let's just use data to CSV, I think. I don't know how to use it. I every time forget that. Let's go to our logistic. No, I think we have it in project 1. Let's go and see if we have it or not. Back to our project. Okay, it's crashing. I don't know why. Let's be in our project, YouTube. Okay, here, file.to.csv. Okay, file.to.csv. Now we should use file.to.csv. Let's and say file is equal to data list. I know it's not be filled file. List object has no attribute to CSV. We have the problem here. What we do here, we read this CSV file and then added something to it. And what is the file format? It's CSV. Okay, let's go and we try to fix it. How? We create a CSV file here. Let's create a Microsoft Excel here and call it data. We call it all data. Just create an X and save as CSV. Where is CSV? This is one of the things I hate the most. I forget where is the CSV comma limited. Save and then delete this. Go to our file. We need to read our CSV file here. pd.read CSV all data.csv, then run it. Now we save file X. It's big X or low X. We just test it, not a problem. Okay, let's see. Oh, what is LL? Now we have some real problem. The data is stored very well. What is this? These are emojis that Excel can't run and we don't really care about them very much. But in some other kind of, let me just copy that and paste it, for example, here. As you can see, they are readable things. It's our model gonna understand what we are saying there. So don't be worried, we created our Excel file and this lab purpose has ended. In the next lesson, we are going to make conclusion of this lab. Until then, have a good time. Bye.